Hello, welcome to Gospel Share Missions. 4 Fields Discipleship Multiplication Training. In the last video we shared Lesson 3a, the Discovery Bible Sword Method. Now, this is Lesson 4, the 4 Fields Overview. A general description of the 5 parts in the 4 fields. Many leaders and churches walk without direction or in many directions without getting anywhere, finding themselves stuck in church ministry. This is why the second characteristic of a church that grows and multiplies is that it has a clear path to follow. A clear vision of the Great Commission given by Jesus is one of the priorities in the life of the church. We call this clear path the 4 Fields Discipleship. If we look in the Bible for a strategy for reaching lostness, we will see Jesus modeling a strategy that the disciples followed. In your training, ask the participants to locate page 7 in the notes and drawings. Now let's take a look of the 5 parts of the 4 fields. The field number 1 is the empty field. This is the entry plan. Write down the titles in your worksheet and draw the furrows. Just like a farmer has seed and finds an empty field, we find an empty field, an empty heart to sow the seed. The second field is the seeded field. This is the gospel. Write and draw on your worksheet. Just like a farmer sows the seed in an empty field, we sow the gospel in that empty and receptive heart. The third field is the growing field. This is discipleship. Write and draw on your worksheet. Just like a farmer helps the newly born plants to grow with light and water, we help the disciples grow and multiply. The field number 4 is the harvest field. This is the church. Write and draw on your worksheet. Just like a farmer gathers the harvest into bundles, we gather the disciples together in a healthy way. In the center we have the leadership, development and multiplication. Just like a farmer takes part of the seed from the harvest and prepares it to repeat the process, we take some disciples to the center to develop them in leadership and prepare them to repeat the process and multiply. From now on you will be equipped with 12 simple tools. These are found in the 5 parts of the 4 fields. You have the names of the tools at the bottom of your worksheet. In the empty field there are 2 tools. The relational map and person house of peace. In the seeded field there are 3. The 15-second testimony, 3 circles, and baptism hammer. In the growing field there are 2. The 411 and the 3/3. In the harvest 2 more. The church health circle and the left-hand guide to a church start. And in the center 3 tools for leadership. The 5 levels of leadership, iron on iron, and MAWL principle. In the next video we will enter the first field, the empty field, where you will be trained with tool number 1 and 2. God bless you as you equip yourself to train others to train others.